So before we begin, I just want to show you guys Jessa's amazing recreation of my everyday makeup look. If you guys have ever recreated one of my makeup looks before, please do tag me on Instagram and I'd be so happy to feature them on my video.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Hey, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a very simple makeup look. And this is the Gandang Pulbo and Liptint makeup. Alam ko na nauso to nung around 2017, but in 2019, I want to add a little bit of a twist to it and hindi tayo gagamit ng baby powder. I mean, medyo kailangan natin maging realistic, diba? Kasi medyo matanda na tayo, marami sa atin nasa college, trabaho, high school. So we're gonna level up and use the Pond's Insta-Bright Tone Up Milk Powder. You guys might have seen this on Instagram, and daming influencers na pinag-uusapan to. And I also did a review on it last week, so if you guys haven't seen that, you can go ahead and click on the cards up here. Mostly, what I'm going to use are Pond's White Beauty products, and I'm going to explain why through each process of doing this look. Guys, of course, we also have to be realistic. Not everybody has the perfect skin. Hindi lahat tayo glowing, hindi lahat tayo makinis ang mukha, kaya we are gonna use like just a few more items to add to this look. Pero promise, Pulbo at Liptint pa yan ang star of the show. So if you guys want to see how I do the Gandang Pulbo at Liptint look, then just keep on watching. So I already washed my face and I'm going to prep it using the Pond's White Beauty Pore Conditioning Toner. This is one of the products that I really loved in 2018. I bought it like on the last quarter of the year. And the reason why I love it is because napansin ko nga na when I'm using this toner or after like a few weeks of using this toner, my pimple scars did lighten up. And ang dami kong problema with pimple scars lately. I think it comes with age as well. Because as you get older, your body like starts to decrease the production of collagen, I think. So whenever you have like pimple scars, mas matagal siya mag-heal or sometimes it doesn't completely heal. One of the factors is the collagen talaga. Because collagen is the one that makes your skin more youthful and alam mo yun, it makes it heal a lot faster. So, meron akong pimple dito, and then this is a pimple scar. So, tama-tama that I'm using the Pond's White Beauty Toner. And after using that, I'm going to use the Pond's White Beauty Day Cream. This is like a moisturizer for the daytime. Now, if you guys don't really know what the difference of a day cream is with a night cream or a regular moisturizer, day creams are actually moisturizers na mas light lang siya. And talagang ideal siya for the daytime kasi hindi siya sticky, hindi oily. And a lot of them actually have factors like vitamins or antipollutants that will protect your skin. Bago tayo mag-day cream, maglalagay muna ako ng alcohol sa aking hands para malinis. Because I don't like touching my face na madumi ang kamay ko, kaya ako nagkaka-pimples in the first place. And then, I'm just going to apply a pea-sized amount of the Pond's Day Cream on my finger and apply it on my face. The good thing about Pond's products is that they're so accessible and affordable, and it's something that parang feeling ko malapit sa puso ng mga young girls because, alam mo yun, they grew up using Pond's or moms grew up using Pond's as well. So, kahit na ang dami-dami ng available skincare in the market, I feel like sometimes ang sarap balikan pa rin ng Pond's. It's kind of like a classic for us, right? I don't know if you guys noticed it, but after using the day cream, my face looks one shade lighter and a little bit more evened out. I kind of like it because it just gives me more excuses not to use foundation or BB cream. Like I told you guys earlier, I'm going to try to use as little cosmetics as possible. So I'm just going to put eye cream under here to brighten up and to lessen the use of concealer. I mean, of course, hindi naman mawawala yung eye bags mo and the dark circles. Pero from a distance, at least it looks lighter and less tired, diba? So after that, I'm now going to use the Pond's powder. I'm just going to put it on my hand and basically like apply it on my face like directly without a brush or anything. I mean, let's be realistic. When you're late or pag nasa school ka, hindi mo naman lagi dala yung mga makeup brush mo, diba? Just always make sure that your hands are clean, okay? So yan, nalagay ko na yung powder. Now, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Concealer just to hide yung pimples ko dito. And that's really the only thing I want to focus on. Kung kung wala kang time magkilay, just get a spoolie and brush the hair up. Dapat pataas siya kasi pag binabrush mo pataas, mas magmumukhang makapal yung kilay mo. Brows don't have to be drawn in place all the time. All you need to do is to have them like well-groomed. Well, of course, unless like totally wala kang kilay, diba? Then, in that case, then I suggest na unahin mo muna yung kilay mo. Afterwards, we're going to apply lip tint, and for this, I'm using the Face Shop's Coca-Cola collection. This is in the shade number 2 or Coke Red. Uunahin ko muna yung lips kasi pag wala kang makeup, the best thing that you can do is to wear red lipstick. People are naturally drawn to people's mouths, and that's one of the first things that they notice. So I feel like kung wala kang kahit anong suot, the best thing you can do is to just like divert people's attention to your lips. So now that we have that down, I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. And no matter where I go, lagi ako may dalang stippling brush because it applies the cheek tint so much easier and mas even siya. Wala siyang downtime to settle on your face. So, ayan. If ever masyado kang maraming na-apply na lip tint, all you need to do is like wet the stippling brush, tapos ipat mo lang siya para magmukha rin siyang natural. Pwede mo rin siya gawin sa lips mo if you feel like you applied too much. Another thing that you have to do is to curl your lashes. Kahit hindi ka na mag-apply na mascara, basta mag-curl ka ng lashes mo, it will really open up your eyes and complete the entire look. Alright, so this is our completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what videos you want to see next in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. It's free! And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!